All right, now with all this stuff stacked on this scale, how much do you guys think all this weighs right here? Welcome back to Garage Matters. Now I'm gonna make this quick today. We're gonna turn this 2 plus 2 to a 2 plus 0. And let's go ahead and take a look at this car real quick. So what I did was basically just strip the interior out. And the back seats and the spare tire, all that's sitting over here. We're gonna see how much weight we saved. But let's take a look at the interior now. So this is how this vehicle looks like on the inside. And I don't think it looks too bad for being partially stripped out. Now this stuff down here, this is just Dynamat sound liner. So this is a dyno liner. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to check this stuff out. But this stuff has some adhesive backing to it. And as you can see, I've got Dynamat on underneath here as well to help give you some of that soundproofing from the road noise. Now let's take a look at the back right here. And back here, pretty much did the same thing back here. I had this Dynamat down here as well. And with this vehicle partially stripped out, I don't think it looks that bad at all. Now, since this is a 2 plus 0, and I do like not having this little tray table right here anymore because it was blocking my rear strut tower bar. Now let's go ahead, pile all this stuff on this scale, see how much weight we saved. Now I'm trying to figure out the best way possible to do this. So I took all of the small items, stuffed them inside of this 5-gallon bucket. So you got the seat belts down in there, this jack in here, and I think what I'm gonna do is just stack this spare tire on top of here and then stack the rest of this stuff on here. And then I'm just gonna record the weight. All right, now with all this stuff stacked on this scale, how much do you guys think all this weighs right here? Let me go ahead and pick some of this stuff and set it back down. That way the scale will turn on. Let's do this real quick. And hopefully we can capture it on camera. Okay, I should do it. All right, let's come down here and take a look at the reader. All right, so all this stuff weighs 97.4 pounds. So that is pretty impressive as far as how much weight we were able to save from this vehicle. Now, you probably could have saved 100 pounds if we went ahead and removed the rest of this plastic trim in here. But I didn't want to do that because then it'll just look too bare. And it looks good like this. What do you guys think about the new 2 plus 0 now? How does it look? Do you guys like it? Drop a comment below if you guys like it or don't like it. But as far as saving 100 pounds and how much faster this car is going to be, I really don't know. And yes, it's not going to save a second off your quarter-mile time or anything like that, but just driving around town, you're definitely going to notice a difference, especially with these low horsepower, low torque vehicles. Now that's going to do it this time for Garage Matters. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and join us next time on Garage Matters.